Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we will show you grafting of olive plant. We have got a Koroniki olive plant and I'm grafting Gamblic olive on a Koroniki olive as we don't have wild olive here. So just for the experiment, let me show you how we graft. Just make a grafting stick with 2 or 3 buds on it. Later you need to smoothen the rootstock. Let me show you how. You should have precise cutting tools for that. Now it's smooth, and let me make a cut onto this. It should be perfect to fit inside the rootstock. A perfect knife or a cutter will work for this. Look at this precision. I'm trying my best to make it smooth so it directly fits into the cut. I will make into the budwood, the rootstock. Okay guys, here we go. So I'm done with this one. Little bit more finishing, and that's all done. Just make a cut, not too deep, just to fit the budwood you have made. Be gentle because it's a small stem, it may go deep. Okay, that's all I need. Let's try to fit this one. Oh, it's tight. So while we are inserting it, it's not going too deep because I have made a much bigger budwood. Just try to make it equal the size of the budwood I have made. Okay, that's all I need. It went a little bit deeper, but that's okay. The bark of budwood and the rootstock should touch each other. And here we go with the wrapping thing. When it's all connected, no spaces for the air, then there should be no spaces for the air coming in and out. Wrap it with a tight tape or a paper. Try to make it a little bit tighter here, because as you make it more tight, there will be more tight connection, a joint. Plus further, let me tell you, when you're grafting something or making bud grafting or side graft or cut graft, any graft you make, the frequent watering is necessary. As much as the sap budwood contains, the more successful is the graft. So watering and shade is must for this graft. Later we'll keep this grafted plant into shade and water it properly, so may we have good results. First one, I have connected the joint. Later I need to cover up the above side of the plant. It is because to maintain humidity and prevent evaporation of much water. This will make it more successful graft. Let me show you how we will do this. If you have got small plastic cups or plastic pots, like you got for filling up you can even cover up with a plastic wrap or plastic bag if you have got one, but at the moment I don't have one, so just I'm wrapping this all budwood with a plastic sheet I have got. So that's all we have done. We'll place it into the shade and I'll share the results with you after 1 month. Hopefully that would be nice. Okay, thank you so much. So let's meet after 1 month. I will show you results of the both cuttings. Here we come after a month and the graft has finally sprouted. Look at the small beautiful bud coming out of the same plant we grafted earlier. Oh wow, just look at another picture from that plant.